Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to update software with one click. So, let's get started.
Jack it up.
First, open Chrome and type Iobit Software Updater. And press Enter. Click on it. Click Free Download. If you like Pro version, click Buy Now. It costs only $12. I'll download free version. After download, open the setup file. Click Yes. Now, preparing to install. Uncheck Install iTop Screen Recorder. After that, click Custom Install. You can browse software installation directory place and check or uncheck another options. After that, click Install. Now, installing the software. You can see it on taskbar and desktop. It's finished installation. Click No Thanks. Click Finish. Now scanning for program updates. You can see the outdated software. Now you can update software with one click. Click Update now. The free version can update 2 software in a day. If you want to update all software in the time, you need to buy Pro version. Open a browser and go to kdkcomputer.blogspot.com. You can see like this. Search version.dll. Click on it. Click on the link. Click Download. Now downloading the file. Click Keep. After download, copy it. Right-click on the shortcut. Click Open File Location. Paste copied file. Click Continue. After that, open Iobit Software Updater and please comment what you see. Bye. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.